Hey guys, how you doing out there? Check it out. Here we are again at the door. I'm sure you've seen the other video. If not, check out the link over there. This thing was broken. It was broken. You can see it over there. So every time you open the window, the door, use the handle, it actually flexes and it doesn't do anything. So I kept having to open the window and stick my hand out and use the door handle on the outside, right? What I've done is order a new one of these guys. Look at this. This was from Paddock again. I don't know, they're just reliable. You can buy it anywhere. Do you know how much this cost? About $5. Can you believe that? It's got a spring on it, so it works already. You pay attention though, these are left or right. So this is the left-hand one, and it should match the one on the door at the moment. And now we're going to swap it out and see if that will help the situation. I'm sure it will, so let's give that a go. So what we need to do here is unhook that, and that hook clips in to there. If you can see that, that's pretty difficult to see. So what we need to do is try and get that out so we can get the new one in again without losing everything in the door. Mind you, if you see the door, as you saw last time in the other video, I'm sure it'll fall right through onto the floor, man. See that hook? That's pretty tough going, man. Well, there it is, I got it off. You have to twist this vertically and maneuver it and wiggle it out. And you can see here how that broken was. So now we're going to put the new one on. Like that. Hook it on there. Hope you can all see that. Problem is I can't do this with one hand, so we'll see. Right, all you guys laughing out there, I know what you're thinking, but I finally figured it out. This little bar here that runs in here, it clips onto there. If you unclip that, you can move this whole bar out. Makes it much easier to clip your new handle on, slide it back, and then we have to get it back in there, which is going to be interesting. See, I just did it in one go, man. And that slots in there. There is a 90-degree angle that goes in here, that way, and then comes out there. And then this thing slots onto there. See if I can get it. Click. So that thing clicks on there, and that holds that bar from moving that way outside, so it stays in here. So now we put this in here. It already feels a lot more rigid. Yeah, we'll put that together and try it. Right, let's see if it works, man. It's all back. That's tightened up. Let's see. I think that's a result, man. Amazing what a new part will do, right? So now put the carburetor, the door back together. You've seen that on the other video. I'm not going to show you that again. But there you have it. $5, man. That's what you love about your Defender, don't you? Parts are easy. Parts are cheap. You can fix it with a screwdriver, man, which is the best part. You don't need to plug in a laptop and all of that stuff. And you keep yourself on the road. Acid test, guys. That works for me, man. Now we can open the door, keep the window shut. And most importantly, management is happy. We can finally go to the roadworthy test, because I'm sure they'll fail a car on that point if you can't open the door, right? So, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know down below if you had a good laugh or if you learned something. I did. And for the next time, who knows, maybe the other side, right? Guys, thanks for watching. Keep rolling, and see you on the next one.